Hey Bakers, it's Faizan here and welcome back to my channel Bake by Faizan. I got up this morning thinking of the pancakes, so I thought I will be making the pancakes in the breakfast for myself, and that will be banana pancakes. So it is very simple recipe I will be making just right after my workout. So it hardly take 15 minutes to make those pancakes, and that's very simple and easy and yummiest pancake recipe you will ever try. So let's start making the pancakes just after my workout. So what I believe the best time to have pancakes in the morning and the best is after workout. So I'm just done with my workout today. So let's start making the pancakes in 5 minutes. To make banana pancake, we need banana. We need 2 medium banana, and if you are using small bananas then you will be needing 3 bananas, which is approx 180 grams. Into this banana here I am adding sugar. The sugar here I am using is granular sugar, but if you want you also can use cashew sugar or brown sugar. So for this recipe you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add the sugar to your bananas. Mash the bananas and sugar using a fork. Just mash it completely, that's it. After mashing the banana, I'm gonna put onto this banana eggs. Here we need 2 whole eggs in this recipe. But if you do not eat eggs, there is nothing to stress about. You can use flax eggs. To make flax eggs, just mix 1 tablespoon of flax powder with 3 tablespoons of water. And this is equals to 1 egg. So in this recipe you need 2 tablespoons of flax eggs and 6 tablespoons of water to replace eggs. And here goes half cup of milk and few drops of vanilla essence. If you don't have time and you do not want to use this whisker or a bowl, just put all the ingredients in a grinder jar and just grind it. That is also fine to make these banana pancakes. Since here I am using a whisker to mix this, it will take 10 minutes. Just whisk it completely until all the ingredients incorporate very well to each other. Now here I am putting my dry ingredients, which is flour. It is 1 cup of all-purpose flour and baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon or 5 grams, and one of my favorite spice, cinnamon powder. And if you don't like cinnamon in your pancake, you can skip this, but I love cinnamon, so I can't skip it. Now again mix all the ingredients, dry ingredients into the wet ingredients very well. Just mix using your whisker, or if you're using a hand beater then that is also fine. As I said earlier, you can use a grinder to make your pancake better. Just put all the ingredients in a mixer grinder jar and grind it. That's it. So you can eat your pancakes in 5 to 10 minutes. That's an easy way if you wish. I'm doing this because I love using my whisker and just whisking all the ingredients and looking at the ingredients while mixing. It's amazing. That's very soothing actually. I just love doing this thing in the morning. Okay, here I have added salt, pinch of salt, and oil, which is 3 tablespoons. This is normal vegetable oil. You can substitute this oil with coconut oil or olive oil or whatever oil you like sesame oil. Mix it thoroughly until well incorporated. Here our pancake batter is ready almost. Banana pancake batter. I did not mash the banana completely because I wanted big chunks of banana in my pancake. So that is so amazing, delicious, like heavenly. Okay, it is done now. Let's make our pancakes. Hot cakes, hot pancakes. Pour the batter slowly on the hot skillet, which is heated at 180 degrees Celsius or medium heat. Let it cook, leaving and keeping an eye on it. You will see bubbles starts appearing on the surface of your pancake like this. It is an indication that your pancake is done from the bottom, meaning it is time to flip it. So ideally it takes 50 seconds to 1 minute to cook from one side over medium heat. And if you are using an induction, then cook it over 160 degrees Celsius. When it is done, just remove it from the pan and it is ready to have with honey, banana slices or like peanut butter. There are so many choices to have pancakes, banana pancakes. I have had my banana pancakes with slices of banana and tablespoon of jam. Yeah, my stack of banana pancake is ready. If you watched my video and did do please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and do comment below. Let me know what recipes you want me to make share in the future. Until next time, have a great day.